Question 23. This speed-time graph describes a cheetah that covered 825 meters in 40 seconds. Time is along the bottom and speed up the side. The cheetah starts at 15 meters per second, speeds up to a maximum, holds it, then slows to a stop at 40 seconds. Remember, the distance traveled is the area under the graph. Part A. The speed when recording started is simply where the graph meets the speed axis, 15 meters per second. Part B. The maximum speed, call it h. The total area equals the distance, 825. Adding the trapezium, rectangle and triangle areas gives 75 plus 25h equals 825. So 25h is 750, and h is 30 meters per second. Part C, the accelerations, which are the gradients of the graph. In the first 10 seconds, the speed rises from 15 to 30, so acceleration is 30 minus 15 over 10, which is 1.5 meters per second squared. In the last 20 seconds, it falls from 30 to 0, giving 0 minus 30 over 20, minus 1.5, a deceleration. Part D. The average speed in the first 20 seconds. Average speed is distance over time. The distance in those 20 seconds is the trapezium plus the rectangle, 525 meters, divided by 20 seconds, which is 26.25 meters per second. Well done. That's question 23 complete.